Hello guys, so we are here in Sand Park
Hello.
Hollow here in Utah. So this is the famous beach that they're looking for. If you want to visit Utah, just come here in Sand Hollow Park.
Hello. Here we are in Sand Hollow Park, as Lynn just said. And it's a red sand beach. Very sandy, very deep sand. Hard to walk in practically. We just walked about 70 yards to the car and I got winded. We're fixing to go out into the lake, which I hear is very warm until you get out up to your neck, and then it gets a little bit cooler. So this is about 2 hours from Las Vegas, and the fee is $35 to get in here. And we got a nice shady spot. It's not crowded here at all at 12 o'clock on a Tuesday. Okay, I'm sure on Saturday and Sunday it's much more crowded. So we're going to enjoy ourselves. Adios.
Try the hot water. Yeah, the water water is not really good. It's putik.
It's drinking water.
It's drinking water.
Don't drink it.
It's a putik water. Water, hindi siya malinaw. Maganda pa sa Philippines ang tubig. Si Mark nasa malayo na. Marunong naman siya maglangoy. Grabe, hindi ako makapunta sa tubig. Ayoko. Parang ang dumi-dumi naman ang tubig na yan. Tingnan niyo mga marites. Yan ang mga marites, oh. Pakita natin ang ating legs. Grabe ang buhangin nila, oh. Kulay pula. Si Mike andoon na, oh. Hindi ako maligo. Pakit lang ako, pakit. Pakit lang tayo. Darang! Ayoko maligo kasi ang init. Kaday. Magpapakit lang tayo. Ay! Ano na siya sa malalim. That's very deep to me. Tingnan niyo naman ang tubig, oh. Hindi naman siya malinaw na malinaw. Hindi siya malinis. Tingnan niyo yung tubig dito. Hindi siya malinis na malinis. Parang putik. Parang putik lang. Hindi maganda. Hindi talaga siya magandang palikuan. So ito yung mga maduduming lugar. Parang mga tae na dito. At It's a place where hindi siya malinis. Tae. Ayun na si Mike. I like. Yan yung lugar. Hindi na yan. Hi guys! So we are here at the beach resort. Hi! Hi! Yeah! So dan 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 dan. Diba ang gandang hangin? Mga Marites, malinaw pala kapag nasa gitna ng tubig. Papakita ko sa inyo. 12:56 12:56, almost 1 o'clock. So malinaw siya kapag nasa gitna ka na, yan no.